Welcome to Facts Cosmos. Get ready because today we're diving into 10 mind-blowing facts about space that will completely change the way you think about our universe. From stars so massive they make our sun look tiny, to planets made entirely of diamonds, these cosmic wonders will leave you speechless. Let's get started. Fact number 1. Did you know that on Venus a single day lasts longer than an entire year? Here's why. Venus rotates extremely slowly. It takes the planet 243 Earth days to complete one full spin on its axis. But at the same time, it only needs 225 Earth days to orbit around the Sun. That means on Venus, a day is actually longer than its year. Imagine living on a planet where you could celebrate New Year's before even finishing one single day. Fact number 2. Meet Scuti, the largest known star in the universe. This red supergiant is more than 1,700 times larger than our Sun. To put that into perspective, if Scuti were placed at the centre of our solar system, its surface would stretch far beyond the orbit of Jupiter. It's so massive that our Sun, which already feels enormous to us, would look like a tiny dot in comparison. Scuti reminds us just how small we really are in the grand scale of the cosmos. Fact number 3. Imagine an entire planet made mostly of diamond. That's not science fiction. It's 55 Cancri e, also known as the Diamond Planet. This world is about twice the size of Earth, and scientists believe that a huge portion of its interior is composed of carbon. Under the extreme pressure inside the planet, that carbon could crystallize into pure diamond. So, while Earth has its precious gems buried deep underground, 55 Cancri e might be an entire treasure chest floating in space. Fact number 4. You might think space is completely silent, and in a way it is, but scientists have discovered something incredible. Space actually has sounds. Of course, sound can't travel through the vacuum of space. Instead, planets, stars, and even black holes emit electromagnetic waves. When those waves are converted into audio, they create eerie and mysterious sounds, almost like cosmic music. From the haunting hum of Saturn's rings to the strange whistles of Jupiter's magnetosphere, the universe is far from silent. It's alive with hidden melodies. Let's listen and enjoy these incredible sounds of outer space. Fact number 5. Neutron stars are among the densest objects in the entire universe. When a massive star explodes in a supernova, its core collapses under gravity into a tiny ball of neutrons. Even though a neutron star is only about 20 kilometers across, it can contain more mass than our Sun. To show you just how dense they are, a single teaspoon of neutron star material would weigh about 1 billion tons on Earth. That's heavier than every building in a major city combined, all packed into a space smaller than a sugar cube. Fact number 6. Jupiter is famous for its Great Red Spot, a gigantic storm larger than the Earth itself. This colossal hurricane has been raging for at least 350 years, and possibly much longer. Winds inside the storm can reach speeds of over 400 miles per hour, making it one of the most extreme weather systems in the solar system. To put it into perspective, if Earth were placed inside the Great Red Spot, our entire planet would easily fit within the storm's swirling clouds. Fact number 7. Saturn, the beautiful ringed planet, is actually so light for its size that it could float in water. Here's why. Saturn is a gas giant, made mostly of hydrogen and helium, which are very light elements. Its average density is only about 0.7 grams per cubic centimetre. That's even less than water. Of course, you'd need a cosmic-sized bathtub to test this out, but technically, Saturn would bob on the surface like a giant balloon. Fact number 8. Have you ever walked on a beach and tried to imagine how many grains of sand there are? Now multiply that by every beach and desert on Earth. Astronomers estimate that the observable universe contains more stars than all those grains of sand combined. We're talking about sextillions of stars, numbers so large that they're almost impossible to imagine. This staggering fact shows just how vast and limitless the cosmos truly is, and how tiny our own world is within it. Fact number 9. The universe isn't just expanding, it's expanding faster and faster. Ever since the Big Bang, galaxies have been moving away from each other. But in the late 1990s, scientists made a shocking discovery. The expansion is actually accelerating. This mysterious force, called dark energy, is pushing the universe apart at an ever-increasing speed. It means that over billions of years, galaxies will drift farther and farther away, until many of them eventually disappear from our view forever. Fact number 10. Black holes are some of the strangest objects in the universe, and they don't just trap light, they can actually warp time itself. According to Einstein's theory of relativity, the stronger the gravity, the slower time moves. Near a black hole, gravity is so intense that time for someone close to it would pass much more slowly compared to someone far away. In theory, if you could safely orbit near the edge of a black hole, hours for you could feel like decades for people elsewhere in the universe. Black holes remind us that space isn't just about distance, it's also about the very fabric of time. The cosmos is full of wonders, and we've only just begun to explore its mysteries. From diamond planets to stars 1,000 times larger than our Sun, every discovery reminds us how vast and extraordinary the universe truly is. If you enjoyed this journey through space, make sure to subscribe to Facts Cosmos for more amazing facts that will expand your universe every week. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep looking up.